plumbing. Oop. The noise is about to again. That's the wolf howl.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight is presented by Impact Washington.
Yeah, Wolf Industries Inc., and we're building small modular homes that are affordable and attainable across Washington, Oregon, Idaho. Full service, everything from A to Z. Take care of the setup and delivery and permitting and all aspects of it. Let's go look at some of the houses.
This is what we would call stage one. So we will go ahead and we'll frame up a floor right in this area. Then we'll lift it up with the crane and we'll go ahead and stuff it full of the utilities. After that's done, they put insulation in it, then road cloth. While that's going on, walls are getting built, and then the roof is being built right here. And then we pick that up and we put it on top of the lid. So it's all built as components. So this is one of the smaller models, getting it prepared for primer coat. And on the outside, after the tie back goes in, the windows go on, the trim goes in, siding will go on, roof is done.
Their house?
It's their house. We don't build anything on spec. Every house has a customer already attached to it. This is a 2-bedroom unit that the customer changed over to a 1-bedroom with a utility alcove.
They crank them out so fast that I gotta keep tabs on what they are, but this looks like a Model E. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, small home that can be permitted as a ADU, as a guest house, as a hardship, as a primary home. There's a whole host of mechanisms that you can permit this as, so it increases options, and that's what I like. I'd be lying to say I'm not proud, but it's not a feeling I give any effort or thought or attention to. I really don't. I try and provide a service and a product, and then at the end of the day, you kind of look back and you're like, whoa, that's quite a path that we've traveled, putting 400 plus people in homes in the last couple of years.
This 2024 Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by Impact Washington.